been quite a 2023. We're taking a bit of a break, trying to relax. We like to go to a different place to kind of step away from the business. Obviously, if I stay home, I'll just stay immersed. So that's what we've done. We're going to do full update videos, obviously ahead once I return. And
Kelsey gifts. She told us to wait till the cabin.
yes, and so we have those gifts and actually something else from one of you guys out there. So that's going to be in the full video. It's not going to be included in this one. We're just kind of trying to chill, but it's all recorded, and we'll put it together in a few days once we get back. So we're going to kind of close out the year with some big updates and what's going to be happening in 2024. But as you can see, Lace got me some Volky Christmas pants. So, it's been quite a ride. Lots of things happen. We're going to do a full video on this trip, but any thoughts, Lace?
It's been an adventure. It's been a crazy year. It was an adventure getting here, but all in all,
yeah,
it's not too bad. We got a cute, cozy little cabin. It's just two of us this year.
Right.
And I don't know, looking forward to 2024. I think it's going to be good.
For sure. So thanks everybody for supporting Night Drive TV. Obviously, anybody that's purchased, pre-bought, the founding members, things that are all going to be playing into things that are happening in 2024. It was a tough year. I'm looking forward to moving forward. And so I appreciate everything, everyone. Thank you for watching the short video, which was just a little preview of where we are. And we'll have a full video later. So enjoy your Christmas, everyone. Have a good dinner. Hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas.
Bye, guys.
See ya.